Welcome to part one of my contribution into the Porsche Group Build, hosted by Chuck's Hobby Spot, BG's Model Workshop, and the Lucas C channel. Last time I said I would be that guy and build this Revell Porsche Junior 108 tractor. Alright, let's start this thing off. We've already been through the instructions on the intro build, so let's just begin with step one. We have located these two parts. There's one, and there's two. And they go together pretty well. Almost like a snap tight. Yes. That is looking tractor-like. And then we have this part, which is questionable. And it goes right there. It does not snap in. That's probably why it's questionable. We'll just put that over there. I don't always follow the instructions on my builds, so now I'm going to go to step 23, and I have these two pieces. And they kind of snap together nice. That looks pretty fun. And from previous assembly, this appears to just kind of snap in. And it does a thing. That and that. Chomp. 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 That's approved. Don't break the shifters. That is the Waka Waka. So it's moving right along. We are going to, it says front tire. And there they are. That assemble's pretty nice. Front tire. And another front tire. It is round. They are tan. We'll just set those over there. Next, we will do rear tire, because, you know, you really can't. It's tractor. You know, I guess this could be a front tire. This could be a rear tire. But no, that's not how that works. I'll just put that there. And we're going to make sure that the tires go the correct direction, because that's important. So now we have some tires and a tractor. Oh, I just broke it. That's needs some more glue. Let's put these over here. I don't want to bore you with every assembly of how that goes together, but step 8, here we go. This is the front steering, and we can stick them wheels on to demonstrate what tractor assembly looks like. That is approved. Pretty fun. I'll just set that right over there. We're going to come back to step 12, and we have this axle that goes together. Somehow it has to align. And look, boop, it is assembled. There's some other things that have to go on up here. We've already done that. And they spin. So we have a assembly. This. Boop. Now we have front axle and a rear axle. Set those over there. Now we go to step 9. We have this engine piece and our assembled piece, and we just kind of cram that in per that illustration. We'll just set that aside. Now, my favorite part. Finger, axle, if I can do this correctly. I'm definitely having some trouble here. This model is more advanced than I thought. I'm using my thumb. Let's do two fingers is not how you do it. Okay. I clearly need some more glue. Let's get the instructions out of the way. So let's try this again. Their way of saying, I don't even know if I got this put together right, but there we go. Tractor. Oh, and we got to put this piece on. It does not sit right. It's pretty cute, like a tractor. So that's the mock-up of the tractor. It gets a little seat somewhere around here. And I don't know, that's a pretty neat little kit. It's not exactly what I have in mind. You know, there's all of this in here. I just don't really think that's what I want there. So I started thinking. What would be the dumbest thing I could put here? First thought, how about LS swap? How about blown Hemi? That's not really Porsche-like. And in my intro video, you know I have a Porsche 959. That's much more Porsche-like. But, I don't know. It's just kinda small. So it got me thinking even more. So I found this engine from Historic Racing Miniatures. It is a fully detailed Porsche 917 flat 12 engine. So yes, this looks more like an appropriate power plant for this Porsche tractor. I said I was going to do something really dumb because tractors is so dumb. So let's see how this is going to come out. We're just getting started. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do because I have all kinds of model car stories to tell. Thanks for watching.